And welcome back, 7:10. Emily Ward with the Oklahoma Blood Institute is joining us now. Welcome, and thanks for being here
thanks
this
for
morning.
having me.
You came on this morning because you want to talk about a special thing that you guys are doing, and you need a certain type of blood, correct?
Yes, correct. We have air ambulances that fly in our state. Well, there's traumas that happen all over the state, and sometimes those who are injured have to be picked up by a medical helicopter to be taken to the hospital. And we are trying to raise the standard of emergency care for trauma victims by having every one of those air ambulances fully stocked with O-negative blood.
And why O-negative blood?
O-negative is the universal blood type, which means anybody can receive it, doesn't matter what your blood type is, and it makes it ideal for trauma situations when there is no time to find out what that patient's blood type is.
Gotcha. And a lot of you were just saying a lot of air ambulances don't have any blood in them, right?
Well, we have 23 air ambulances that fly, and out of those 23, one is fully stocked with O-neg. We have 4 that don't carry blood at all, and the rest just have some O-positive and O-negative on them. And we want to set the standard of having all of them with O-negative, 2 units of O-negative blood on board at all times.
Gotcha. And so how can you donate?
Well, you can find we have mobile drives and fixed donor centers all over the state. You can find locations at obi.org. You can search by location and find one closest to you.
Gotcha. And a lot of us don't know our blood type, and so how do we find out our blood type?
Well, the best way to find out is to give blood. Just come on in, give blood, you're saving lives, and you'll also find out what your blood type is.
Gotcha. So we can go catch you guys, find out our blood type, and donate blood. And even if we're not O-negative, it's still, you guys still need our blood, right?
All blood types are always important. There's patients in the hospital that receive blood on a daily basis who aren't O-neg, and they're receiving their blood type. But we are trying to fill this critical gap of O-negative donors. It's a very rare blood type. Only 9% of our population has it. And so we need more people to step up. Maybe if you've never given blood before, try it out. Give it a try. You'll find out your blood type, and if you're O-negative, you'll be one of these that fills this critical need.
Right, so really looking for O-negative blood.
Yes.
Yes, perfect. All right, Emily, thank you so much
for
being
having
on.
me.
It was so good to see you.
Thank you.
And again, still to come here on News 9, Matt has a check of your full forecast.